Looking for the best Focusrite Scarlett audio interface in 2026? In this video, we review and compare the most popular Scarlett models, including the Solo, 2i2, and 4i4, to help you choose the perfect interface for your home studio. We'll break down sound quality, features, performance, and value, so whether you're... Number 3. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen USB audio interface is a trusted favorite for guitarists, vocalists, podcasters, and producers who want reliable, studio-quality sound in a compact and affordable package. Designed for simplicity without sacrificing performance, it's an excellent entry point for anyone starting a home studio or upgrading for basic recording gear. The Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen features high-performance mic preamps that deliver clean, bright recordings with plenty of detail. The switchable air mode adds extra clarity and presence, making vocals and acoustic instruments sound more open and polished. For guitarists and bass players, the high headroom instrument input ensures your tone stays punchy and distortion-free, while Focusrite's gain halos make it easy to set perfect levels at a glance. Audio quality is another strong point. With 24-bit by 192 kHz converters, the Scarlett Solo captures and plays back audio with impressive accuracy, preserving the full character of your voice or instruments. The low-noise balanced outputs provide crystal-clear monitoring through studio speakers or headphones, whether you're mixing music or simply listening to streaming audio. Users consistently praise the Scarlett Solo for its true plug-and-play performance, working smoothly across multiple DAWs and even mobile devices with a simple USB adapter. Setup is fast, connections are stable, and interference is virtually non-existent, combined with a generous software bundle and a 3-year warranty. Number 2. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen USB audio interface is a compact, powerful solution designed for guitarists, vocalists, and producers who want professional sound in a simple, portable setup. As the newest generation of Focusrite's songwriter-focused interface, the Scarlett Solo brings big studio audio quality to home studios, bedroom setups, and mobile recording rigs. At its core, the Scarlett Solo 4th Gen delivers studio-quality sound with an impressive 120 dB dynamic range, using the same high-end converters found in Focusrite's flagship interfaces used in world-class studios. This results in clean, detailed recordings with plenty of headroom, whether you're tracking vocals, acoustic guitar, or electric guitar direct. The interface includes an XLR mic input and a Hi-Z instrument input, making it perfect for solo creators who need a straightforward 2-channel workflow. One standout feature is the improved air mode, which adds clarity, presence, and subtle harmonic richness to vocals and guitars. It helps recordings sit forward in the mix without sounding harsh, giving your tracks a polished, professional character right from the start. Users consistently praise Focusrite's reliability, especially when paired with MacBook Pro setups and demanding microphones like the Shure SM7DB, with stable performance and ultra-low noise. The Scarlett Solo is also incredibly easy to use. While the Focusrite software is intuitive, many users appreciate that most tasks can be handled directly from the hardware itself. Add in the generous software bundle, including Pro Tools Intro Plus, Ableton Live Lite, FL Studio Producer Edition, and the Hitmaker expansion, and the Scarlett. Number 1. The Focusrite Scarlett 16i16 4th Gen USB audio interface is a powerful, studio-ready solution built for serious songwriting, music production, recording, and podcasting. Designed as a true producer's interface, it offers an impressive 16 inputs and 16 outputs, making it ideal for creators who need flexibility without stepping into overly complex or expensive pro gear. At the core of the 16i16 are Focusrite's 4th generation mic preamps, delivering up to 69 dB of clean gain. These preamps are quiet, detailed, and more than capable of handling everything from dynamic microphones to delicate condensers. With 2 Hi-Z inputs, 6-line inputs, ADAT-PDIF, and MIDI-I, or O, connecting instruments, outboard gear, and digital expansions is effortless. Users report flawless performance with setups including Mac Mini, Logic Pro, Roland keyboards, and Shure microphones, all working seamlessly right out of the box. Audio quality is where the Scarlett 16 i16 truly punches above its class. It features 24-bit by 192 kHz converters borrowed from Focusrite's flagship RedNet range, offering an impressive 122 dB dynamic range. The result is recordings that sound open, detailed, and professional. The upgraded Air modes add presence and harmonic drive, giving vocals and instruments a polished, big studio character. Workflow tools like Auto Gain and Clip Safe make recording stress-free by setting optimal levels. Thanks for watching. If this Focusrite Scarlett review helped you choose the right audio interface for your studio in 2026, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear reviews. Drop a comment below and let me know which Scarlett model you're using or planning to buy. Links are in the description. Until next